Matt Morris for another episode of the Unemployed Millionaire Show, the Entrepreneur's Guide to Lifestyle Freedom. I'm here in Cancun, Mexico, the presidential suite of the El Dorado Casitas Resort. This place is absolutely amazing, beautiful place. And you know, one of the things I wanted to talk about today, and I was really kind of thinking about what differentiates the wealthy from the unwealthy. And one of the things is this, you know, the thing about me is I'm not very much more than anyone else. You know, it's not that I'm any smarter, any more creative. What I did years ago, though, and this is the big differentiation, is I chose to go after a career that would at least allow me the opportunity to become wealthy. You know, most people get stuck in a regular job that they have zero opportunity to get rich, zero opportunity to have time freedom, zero opportunity to earn millions of dollars every year. And so what was different about me was that I just went after something that would allow me to become wealthy, allow me to have the kind of lifestyle that I dreamed about. And so that's the deal. Just realize where you're at in life. Take a look at what you're doing right now. Does it at least allow you the opportunity to get wealthy? If not, find something that does. We'll see you on the next episode.